will pass the flame from like Mama Mary's flame to you being the father of the house, okay? The father of the family. And the flame is passed on to you. This is a gift that when you open it, you will get all the graces that is with you.
Amen.
Also remember, as graces comes, there's also a lot of trials. Just you have to work on. Being the family head, you hold the light so that your family will always be protected because that is your role. And being the mother, you will have to always support the husband in protection of the home and your children. The passing of the light is the light of which your love will be endless. Your love will be just like Mama Mary's. You add the love that will be passed to you and you give it to others. There will be no judgment, only love all the time. Okay? So, pag ito'y binigay sa inyo, matinding grasya, pero itutukso rin kayo. Huwag kayong pumalag. Isang pamilya sa pagdadasal ng rosaryo, sama-sama,
Amen.
ang inyong consecration palagi kay Mama Mary magawa. Na one day sana, si Brother John will even install, ayan na pala, si Immaculate Heart of Mary and Sacred Heart of Jesus na-install ho dito na sa inyong bahay na nagkaroon o enthronement.
Wala.
Nilagay lang namin.
Pero maganda na nilagay niyo, Brother John, no?
Pero may nag-misa na po dito na isang exorcist priest. Last year po, kay may bisita po akong exorcist priest from Cebu, from Santo Niño.
Sino?
Si Father Mark.
Father Mark.
Misa siya dito.
So it says here in the diary, our Blessed Mother to Elizabeth said, "There is so much sin in the country. Help me to save it. Take this flame which I offer to you. This is my heart's flame of love. Light yours from it and pass it on." So binibigay sa inyong ilaw at pagmamahal ni Mama Mary ay kailangan magko-contribute ka sa inyong pagmamahal na idadagdag ng ilaw para sa inyong pamilya at para sa ibang tao. Okay? So, Brother John, yeah, there is dito sa second to the last paragraph. As you pass on the light to the Father, and the Father to his wife, and to the children.
My son. My brother. Take this flame that I give you. It is the flame of love of my heart. Set fire to yours and pass it on. You will respond. Amen. My son, take this flame that I give you. It is the flame of love of my heart. Set fire to yours and pass it on. Amen. Yung mga kapamilya po, tabi-tabi po. Yung po nag-a-address ng my son ay si Mama Mary po, ano? So, my son, take this flame that I give you. It is the flame of love of my heart. Set fire to yours and pass it on.